Well, there it is. Finished product. Already turned it over to my daughter and she's driving it. It's doing well. Everything works. As you can see, got the door sills patched. Certainly not professionally, but solid enough where they're not going anywhere for the next 10 years. No more holes. Good to go. Got the running boards back on it. Air conditioners all worked. Fixed that hose. Got my recycle or recirculation door fixed. Everything's good. Pulled the spark plug out of it just for the heck of it, since it should have had them changed at 100,000 miles, and this has just over 126 on it now, and it looked like a brand new platinum. So it looks like the previous owners had actually kept up with the maintenance appropriately, and she is good to go. I have to say, I am very happy with this truck. Now, I'm sure over the years, just like my white one here, there's going to be some things that that fail, and I'm going to have to fix them. But for now, she's working really well, and even the right side emergency brake has broken loose and has started to function again properly. So everything is currently working in the truck. It would pass a mechanical inspection if it needed to. Conveniently, I don't have to have it do that for at least another 8 months anyway. But she is in good shape, and I'm bored already, so now I have to try to find another project, but I think I have something in mind. So anyway, appreciate y'all's time doing this. Oh, one thing I haven't talked about is how much did this cost? Well, my winning bid was $2,050 on it. The fees took it up to about $2,660 out the door at Copart. And I totaled everything up that I had to buy for the truck, parts. I'm not including the tools that I bought because now I have them and I'll use them for everything else. But all of the parts and the things and everything else that I needed to do, including a double title transfer because I had to put it in my name and my daughter's. And I have right at $3,723 with tax into this truck right now, which is not too bad for a 126,000 mile expedition, which pretty much everything works on. So I'm real happy with it. I'm real happy with my first Copart experience. Of course, it was a simple one because it's a clean title truck and it wasn't wrecked, but it had its issues. I've corrected them and we're in good shape. So I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks.